Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll share to see how many streams a song has on Spotify. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end to avoid missing any vital information and making any mistakes in this process. In saying that, let's dive in. Alright, this tutorial works for both Android and iOS users, so follow along. So the first thing you need to do is open up your Spotify app on your phone and then search for that particular song. So I'm going to do Lose Yourself by Eminem. There. Pause the song, and if I click into the song, scroll down, as you can see, there is no current way to see how many streams this song has, but there's a workaround. So what you need to do is click onto the artist, Eminem, and from here, you'll be able to see all the popular tracks, and because Lose Yourself is one of them, you'll be able to see the streams. So this has had 2 billion streams inside Spotify, Lose Yourself. So yeah, that's how you do it, guys, how to see streams inside Spotify. Another way to do this as well is to head back, click onto search. So I'm going to do Linkin Park. And then Linkin Park with the blue tick, I'm going to click onto that. And then from here, you can see all the top songs for Linkin Park as well. Alright, that's it guys for this video. Thanks for watching to the very end. Please consider to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found it helpful. We really appreciate it and it helps us out a lot.